Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to swap USDT to TON on Bitget Wallet. So all you need to do is make sure you've installed the Bitget Wallet mobile app on your device. Once here, move from the home section to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you're here, locate the USDT token you own by either using the tokens list or using the search icon to simply search for USDT. So once you've selected USDT, click on USDT, and at the top you can find the networks with which you can hold USDT on the app, from the BNB chain to the Tron to Polygon. These are some of the few networks that are here. Now simply click on the swap. Once you've selected your USDT, click on swap, and you're shown where you can swap from and what you can swap into. So from the USDT on the BNB Smart Chain, we can go with this. In order to swap to the TON, click on the BNB chain, scroll through and click on TON at the top of your screen, and then the token you're converting into or swapping into is TON. All right guys, so now once you've selected TON, you do need to note that in order to move your tokens from one network to another, you have to pay fees for using that bridge. So let's say you enter about 100 USDT in order to convert into the TON token. You're shown how many TON tokens you can get, so keep that in mind. You have to pay a gas fee in order to bridge from the USDT BNB chain to a TON token. So guys, that's how it's done. All you need to do is enter an amount, make sure you have enough BNB to cover the gas fees, and then simply click on swap, and it's done. All right guys, comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer.